Cute, cute, cute animals.
And before we get into that, let's just do that. All right, now we can look at whatever we want. Let's scroll around. Wow, this looks like some sort of, something of a beautiful anime. We all watch anime around here. Alrighty. Oh, look at this freaking cutie. This is the best day ever. This is so great. Look at this foot. Look at the foot on you. You got a freaking foot. This freaking cute. Look, it's a ball on a bunch of grass. That's all right. What's going on here? NSFW on this one. Freaking flower crown. What are you going to Coachella in that? Look at this. Look at this guy. Look at those perfect blue eyes. Like a glacier. Like a blue Gatorade. It's so beautiful. It's a friggin' red panda eating some leaves. Oh, we're having fun out here. This is great. Yeah. Oh, cows are the best. Look at that one. Oh, look at this one. Oh, look at that one. This guy. Yeah. Goodness. Somebody brushed this sweetie's hair just right. Looking like you're taking a picture for your 5th grade yearbook and that. Oh, doesn't it just warm your heart? Look at what are those things called next to the nose? Like, it's like cheeks, but it's like the whisker cheeks. I love them. Yeah, that's freaking awesome. Look at this. Doesn't that just make you feel good? What? Look at this. That's the best. You're furry. You are a furry cat. What's with all the silhouettes? I don't know. It's Squirtle. I wonder what kind of animal that is. I'm gonna say a freaking elephant. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna say. Pigs are so cool and so smart. Wow, I could guess all these Pokemon. They are all Squirtle. Okay. Oh, look, another Squirtle right here. All right. Look at that cute cat. That will brighten up your day. How perfect and beautiful. Tamandua. Tamandua. Take a long, deep look at this on a rock. Look at this drawing. Cute baby animals melting your he. ... Amazing. It is melting my he.
Wow. Oh man. Look at tiny pygmy elephants. Elephas maximus. That's so
freaking awesome.
Elephas maximus. Man, that's freaking adorable.